Hey everyone, welcome to Huaqiangbei, the heart of China's electronics innovation. This is where all the magic happens, from the coolest gadgets to cutting-edge smart devices.
Today, we're diving into this incredible market to show you how Huaqiangbei powers China's electronics industry and how it's shaping the future of tech. Huaqiangbei is all about supply chain innovation. It's where global manufacturers come to source the best parts for their tech products. Huaqiangbei represents the heart of China's electronics innovation. It's a place where supply chain comes to life, where technology is evolving at a lightning speed, and where new ideas turn into products that are shaping the future of the tech industry. Whether you're sourcing for manufacturing or simply looking to experience the latest in tech, Huaqiangbei is truly where innovation meets the market.